So I wanted to create context because then this is the work you're going to be doing today. So when you decide on the standard that you are considering probably in your next unit, this is kind of the approach or the model that was taken that led to that blueprint. But I wanted you to get that bigger picture because at this point now is when you're going to really look at your unit and look at the standards that you're focusing in on. And it might help to have that, okay, if I think of end of course, if I think of what are the big ideas, that might help you get a more bang for the buck standard that you're going to choose in what's coming up. So with this particular one, let's take a look at this standard. And then consider how many questions do you think you would need to assess this whole content expectation? If you want to take 30 seconds, turn to a partner, discuss. Go ahead. Okay. So, how many questions were you thinking? Any initial ideas?
Is there another subheading to the GLIC, or is that the whole?
I think that's it. I'd have to look it up to be sure. Okay, thank you. They might have an EG though, right? A lot of them have that. But I don't know. Okay, we're checking. So how many questions did you think?
2 to 3.
2 to 3? Okay. So, and what does that kind of suggest then if there's 2 or 3 things that might assess this particular standard? Huh? Sorry?
A lot of prior.
Okay, so there's prior knowledge to be built. And if it's going to take 2 or 3 questions, there's a lot of stuff that you're going to be, it speaks to a lot. The way that it's written, it's big. And so in order to really find out if a student understands it, there's 2 or 3 different things that are going on in there that are potentially important to pull out. And it's going to take more than just one question to really get at it, if you will. How about selected response, constructed response, or maybe one of each? Go ahead and turn and talk about that.